Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find a specific CapCut templates. So here I've already on CapCut, and maybe if you maybe you want to find like a certain trend or a certain viral templates on CapCut that is now trending on TikTok, you can do that, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first, go to templates in CapCut, and here go to this search column, click on that, and then here you can just type in like a keyword that you want. So for now, maybe you want to find an I'm going to find an if I was a trend template. So just click on the keyword and click on the result, and here is the result for the templates that I search. Or you can also like find okay, I'm going to find September Dam aesthetic, for example, and it will be show up like this, and you can just use and choose and use whichever templates that you want. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will help you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.